Hey lovelies, how did I go from this to this? In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how I transformed this photo step by step. Whether you're fixing expressions, enhancing portraits, or just playing around, this trick will instantly level up your edits. So grab your screen and let's jump right in. Let me know if you want me to make any specific tutorial in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.